Could have killed them all. I could have killed you. Wu-Tang is the law. Now give it to me. Don't push it. I'll give you a war you won't believe.
Good morning.
How are you?
Hey, what's like the strongest large coffee I can get, like hot?
Strongest coffee?
Yeah.
Do I stutter, motherfucker? Red black coffee, I guess.
That's the strongest?
Yeah, make a red black coffee with less milk.
All right. No, I don't want no milk then.
Yeah, black. So like, how many sugars?
Just give me 3. No. I'll take 3 sugar, please. Once again, it's on.
Man, what this nigga talking about now?
How your uncle spilling the counter? He's spilling the counter. Rinse it off real quick. Go ahead, bro. Oh, man.
If you could have been a part of any rap crew for any point in time, you could have won on the run that they went on with them. What rap crew you?
Oh, I'd have been right.
Step by step, ooh baby.
NWA. If you gave me 2 choices, I'm doing NWA, and if it was West Coast, it's gotta be Wu-Tang. Cause we talking crew. Cause at first I'd be like, oh, Capone Noriega, but that's just too, like, you know what I'm saying, what I'm gonna do. They ain't gonna have me like Tragedy Gaddafi, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, if I had to pick one, NWA, the next one would be
Earl.
if I had to go East Coast, it would damn sure be Wu-Tang. If it was down south, Dungeon Family. It's gonna be either Dungeon Family or Ghetto Boys, but I'd rather like a crew. But I do Dungeon Family, yeah, definitely Dungeon Family. You know what I'm saying? I don't know how Jay Prince got that bread going, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, he good, or if I had to do like some Midwest, it'd probably be Bone Thugs and Harmony, nigga. I'll be Wavy Bone, nigga. And I'm gonna be never lie to him. You know what I'm saying? Speaking of, YouTube, what's good? It's your boy Wavy. Yeah, I know this is my channel, Mr. Orchard Beach. If you're new to the channel, you haven't hit the subscribe button yet, hit that subscribe button, like, comment. Make sure I don't crash. All the above. Anyway, yeah, speaking of Bone Thugs and Harmony, I'm on my way to Ohio, not Cleveland, but Columbus. Once again, it's on, man. I gotta go down to damn, what's that place called? Fort Knox for a little haul, you know what I'm saying? Like, damn. Yeah, so on my way down here, riding solo dolo. I don't even know. Y'all just rolling with me, man. This is another road trip, and I'm just gonna be doing a lot of vlogging because I ain't really gonna be doing no pickups or nothing like that when I'm out there. Ain't nothing really dropping that I want except for the breads, and I ain't really worried about getting them joints early because I'm on. I mean, technically I do got 2 cameras, but I'm cool with. I'll wait. Hopefully I'll get them when I get back to New York.
He from New York City.
Yeah, man. So you know me, when I'm riding, man, I like to listen to podcasts. And I really like listening to $1 Million Worth of Game. That's why I ain't been. I knew I was taking this trip. That's why I'm down like about 5 episodes because I was like, oh shit, we finna get this time. But man, only reason I'm driving is because the company is not giving us a rental when we get down there, and I ain't really one for all the
15 a car.
One vehicle for like 17 people or something like that. You got like ask and somebody acting like it's their vehicle, and I ain't got time for that. So I'll drive. But I'll tell you one thing.
What, baby?
I drove down here solo. Best believe I'm be driving around that base solo too.
Cuddy, I want you to meet Anthony.
So it ain't gonna be, oh yeah, nah, you know what I'm saying? I wanted to fly, but I picked the poison, you know what I'm saying? So, but yeah, man, so just take this ride, man. I'm gonna be staying at the Grand Hyatt. I'm trying to get down there on time so I can watch the Alabama-Auburn game. I wish I could watch the Ohio-Michigan game, see how it you know, what the energy's like in the bars down there, but I ain't gonna get there in time. I mean, I might get there like the 4th quarter or something like that, and if I ain't gotta check in my room, I'll probably just go to like a little bar in the hotel and watch the game. But anyway, yeah, man, we just slide. You know what I'm saying? Remember that shit? Slide.
No, sorry.
Anyway, follow me out.
I'd have been with Chuck and them. Do we got a good time in generation?
You know what? I believe that. I could have seen you running around with Flavor Flav with one of them stupid ass clocks on.
I'd have been S1W.
That nigga that had the whole cuckoo clock on with a bird.
2 minute axis.
That nigga.
Welcome to the Terror Dome.
That nigga would have had the big ass clock with the cuckoo joint that come out.
That'd have been me.
Yeah, you and Flavor.
No, we gotta have certain times. Like, cause I also would have been like in Wu-Tang. I'd have been Wu-Lo.
You gotta pick one. You gotta pick one.
I'd have been Wu-Lo too. No, I can pick as many I want to.
Nah, you gonna be
I'd have been at Public Enemy, Wu-Tang, and probably I would have been the big timers with Birdman.
Yeah, now that's probably true.
That would have been some fly. I think that could have been fly, but I know me. I would have had to like take care of my money better though. Like fuck that, you know what I'm saying? I don't give a fuck about the suburban truck playboy. Nigga wants some generational wealth. Yeah, fuck all that. But that'd have been a cool group. You know one thing, man? I was never into like the Hot Boys and all. Well, I like Juvenile. I fuck with Juvenile and stuff like that. But I was never like a big like Cash Money joint. You know the song cool, come on. But I was never like yo. Put that joint on. The BG was Chopper City in the Ghetto, but I really like Juvenile, and I'm talking about that old Juvenile. You remember that shit? I'm running in the 9-4, you know that shit, you know? Hell yeah. That was a hard ass album. I forget the name of that album though, before 400 Degrees. But yo, that 400 Degrees, old boy. I'm charging 600 for some big O's, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, shit.
Okay, I'm going my top 5 right now.
5.
Dr. Dre.
Y'all want to pick up this country pace?
Pharrell.
Go. Okay.
Timberland.
I got somebody.
Swiss Beats.
Yeah. Timberland over Swiss Beats over Timberland.
Manny Fresh.
DJ Quick, nigga.
Yeah. Off the top. Slick pop. Know about it.
Right, had to stop at the. Oh shit. Had to stop at the rest stop. I'm already seeing the Make America Great Again.
They're sure as hell gonna like you.
And it don't matter how much I try to like duck from West Virginia, I always see signs. It's like got duck.
Not a very popular place with the brothers.
Trying to get out of here quick. Okay, brother, it's so good to see you. Man, I was gonna drop a video, but shit, I can't even. The internet's too slow, so. There's always some more. And I ain't got time for the play. I gotta pump some gas and get up out of here. Let's get to Columbus. All right, so, damn, now I'm gonna get here at 3:27. I ain't about to speed or nothing, but, ooh, yo, that joint jumped. I was supposed to be getting there like, I was about to get tight. I was supposed to be getting there like 2:20. I don't really see how. Oh, never mind. No. Okay, 2:55. Okay, cool. I ain't tripping. I was like, damn, how it jumped like that. You know what I'm saying? Or, all right. So by the time I check into the room, bust a shower right quick. Be about time to check out the game. Because even if I was gonna have to miss like first quarter or something, I got about 5 brews in the back. You know what I'm saying? Raging bitch. 8.3, 8.4. So I'm straight. Then halftime I would have gone. Yo, man, it's cool seeing this side of the country. With this job, I have to kind of get used to it, but it is what it is, you know? Baby gotta eat. Baby gotta eat. Remember that shit? Jump back out the corner and I'm running to get. Hey, yo, so, yeah, another good thing about me going to Kentucky is I get to bump a lot of the down south tracks on my vlog. I like to put the whole soundtrack of where I'm at. Yeah? Or. But anyway, hold up, let me see. I stayed there last time, matter of fact. That's where I thought I was getting off at. That's Somerset. That's where I'm gonna be staying. I'm gonna be at that Holiday Inn Express on the way back.
Yeah, it's a real shithole.
That's about 8 hours away from where I'm going. And let's see, 325. So, all right, man, y'all follow me. Peace.
Give me the beat, boys, and free my soul. I wanna get lost in your rock and roll and drift away.
I'm almost in Columbus, and I was like, man, let me hit a buck. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to Monday Misso. Cause I was like, I don't know. So I'm like, yo, you don't stay in Columbus, right? He like, yeah. I'm like, oh shit, man, I'm be out there. Yo, what the fuck is you doing? Yo, these trucks be driving. Wow, boy. But anyway, he said, yo, he was out there like, yo, you wanna go out? So we might link. Yo, that's what's up, man. That's cool. I ain't wanting to be on some shit like it'd be like he lived like 30 minutes away, and he'd be like, yo, come out my way, you know. Trying to drink, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, hell yeah, that's what's up. So, like I said, well, no, I'm 22 minutes away. But yo, let me tell you, I was in West Virginia, and as always, had to piss. You know what I'm saying? Like, bad too. I ain't do it. Then, like, when I was crossing over to Ohio, I was like, I wonder how much West Virginia, trickles over here. But fuck it, man, I just broke down and pulled to the side of the road, opened up the passenger door, and acted like I was fucking with something. You know what I'm saying? I'm just ready to get to this room, man. Parlay for a second, and hopefully I can get over Buck. Word. Ow.
It's just another day in my hood, the CUT for the giddy gangster love to the capital letter G. And I'm stepping outside just to see where my love at, find out where the bud at, and see how many fools want the crooked crack.
Bitch shining like candy paint. Bitch niggas be trying to test me, but they know that they can't. So many wanna be pimps, so many trying to be max. So many pussy ass niggas be ending up on their back.
So there's a player in the building.
Nigga, please.
Hell yeah, so we in the room, looking well, you know what I'm saying? Got your bathroom right there, bam. The mirror that greets you once you step into the humble abode. Closet, I don't know what this is, but you know, stay over there. King size bed, move that out of the way. Got your TV, I didn't even turn the joint on yet.
Alabama leads this series.
Oh, and the best thing. Yo, I thought I was at Cleveland joint. I ain't wanna, I was glad I didn't ask the question. I was gonna be like, oh, that's where the Cavaliers play? Of course it's not. This is Columbus. Let me hit this light. All right, there we go. Looks good though out here, huh? Nice little city. Kind of remind me of Charlotte a bit. I'm about to chill, man. Damn, I need that refrigerator to hurry up with my beers, you know?
That's just the way it is. Niggas have to take a chance when you ain't around. Anybody could be in that ass. But I'm just a young nigga trying to make $1. And the way I live, to some it's hard to swallow.
I've been about to step out this elevator like twice. Tell I ain't used to no fancy shit.
First floor, lobby filling up.
Heard you, sis.
I might go to quarter for the hell of it. Made a couple runs, so you know we leveling. Pull up to a couple stores, never settling. Photo when they go, wishes to be celibate. Buy a Louis bag for my girl with melanin. Me and baby man, yeah, you know we leveling. Pull up to the store, need it like a medicine. If they hate all, they can never get it in. They keep talking on my name, no cap. I'm blazing in no strap, trying to make it out the ends go. Order me a cab, I'm trying to make it up. No lie when the days were dark, I ain't talking about the time we would have a power car. No, we the best on the planet. Every single girl when they see it, they be coming. All the money rolling in, you know we be coming. All my niggas blowing heat, looking like a oven, yeah. Feel high like we smoke. We so fly like Heathrow. We take off, no Migos. That the deep talk just deep throw. Feel high like we smoke. We so fly like Heathrow. We take off, no Migos. That the deep talk just deep throw.
Call for your car and be up for your luggage.
All right, thank you. I don't touch bags.
Yes, sir.
I was 13, getting high for quarters of the stain shit. 13 cheating while your daughter in my blanket. Now I'm grown like 5 starters at my banquet. Punch bowl filled with Molly water and she drank it. Let's build her, only smoke gas, bring the gas. When we exhale, tell his whole ass he a ass. Tell him chill for his broke ass, get his ass. Tell him chill for his broke ass, get his ass. Oh man, my niggas ball out. Parkers with them digits all, make some digits fall out. Baby girl, my wrist is froze and my wrist ain't throwing out. Country girl from Wichita, she like what you talking about? Baby, I don't do shade, rockin' new shades in my road. And my new swag, got it flew straight from the morning. And my fast life, got my past life, looking track.
Yo, so just pulled up Fort Knox, about to go up in the Audi, cause I can't shop at the commissary yet until the January 1st. That's when all like veterans get to shop out there. But yeah, so the trip is about three hours, whatever. I think whenever I do come back down here, I gotta come down here a lot. I think I'm gonna go to Cincinnati one weekend. Not this time though. I ain't really worried. I'm just trying to do these 2 weeks and get the fuck up out of here. About to fall up in here. After that, check into the room. Then I'm gonna go to this little bar. It's gonna be that, you know what I'm saying? Follow me.
I can make you feel away. No, you said I changed, but I'ma show you that I'm still the same.
All right, so I'm here in Fort Knox. I got my room or whatever. Damn. Okay, I'm about to say. First thing I like to do when I can be down south is fuck with the AC and stuff. I love the fact that I can mess with the temperature myself, you know? So yeah, so I got like that split room. This right here is like the TV room. I just want to watch San Francisco lose. About the iMac this time, I'm gonna stay editing videos, cause man, I'm gonna be here for a second. In here, what don't I like about it? Everything. Nah, the single beds, I ain't really a fan, but I mean, it seemed kind of comfortable. But yeah, this be my joint right here. Yeah. Alright, but yeah, man, so it's my joint. Oh, another thing, man, the closets. Ain't enough hangers, you know what I'm saying? Like, I got like double hang shit, you know know what I'm saying? Got sneaks. I'm here for a course, well, training. But I don't know how the dress code is. They didn't really say, but I'm gonna go like temperature check them all. You know, I'm gonna come with the business casual. I'm still kill them, you know what I'm saying? Polo from, yeah. And I'm gonna see how it is. They gonna see the Gucci.
Your black ass supposed to be learning something.
Yeah, I'm going for all the wrong shit. Yeah, so I'm be up in there. And once I see that you can kind of wear whatever, you know what I'm saying, then I'm coming for, you know, I'm going for the kill.
I could have killed them all. I could have killed you. Don't push it, I'll give you a award you won't believe.
Best dressed in that mountain. Yeah. I'm not gonna go in there too late though tomorrow because I want to kind of get a good spot by somebody that I can, you know, check out, you know, see the test, you know what I'm saying? Oh, yo, shout out to Buck again, man. I had a good time in Columbus, man. It was lit. So when I was there though, funny thing, it was this chick. She tried to get like fuck with my fries. Like she put her hand, like almost put her hand in the joint. I had to like, yo, what's up? She was drunk.
Drunk, I know drunk.
She said, oh, I was just trying to do an introduction. Is that? And I was like, yo, mad rude. Like, you know what I'm saying? Fuck, you know? But everything else is all good. I mean, you know what I'm saying? A for effort, but that shit was rude. You don't go up in my food. You know what I'm saying? Touch my plate. She gets sliced on the island for that. The island. Nah, get sliced on the island. Yeah. Yeah, man, so I'm about to sit here. I just want to see San Francisco lose. I'm going to sip on a brew, and then I'm going to catch the shuttle because I'm not drinking and driving. And go get something to eat. Ow.
Another day in the hood. In the hood. Just another day 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 in the hood.
Yo, that's crazy. That's crazy. Alright, so change of plans. Yo, ain't nothing open on base. Damn, did I scuff my sneaks? Ain't nothing open on base. That's crazy. Shit. So it's all up in here. Not too keen on the spot, but alright, B-dubs it is. Maybe they might have some thunder up in here.
That defies logic to me.
Alcohol? Damn sure not bringing it back down, so. Alright, so it's a wrap for me tonight. Let's see, got a couple beers. Okay. Okay, yeah, I got 2 beers. Alright, but anyway, yo, about to get up out of here. Yo, 400 likes on this joint. We about to do a lot of vlogging for the next couple weeks. But anyway, man, about to get up out of here. Shout out to the Wave Mob. Oh yeah, I'm Mr. 19.5 today. Word. Follow me on that Snap. Follow me on that IG. Follow me on that Twitter. That Twitter B. That Snups. It's your boy Wavy. You already notice my channel, Mr. Storage at Beach. Like I always like to say, see you when I see you.